Welcome to all. Today's topic is boat and stream. Before coming to the questions, we'll see the concept that is boat and stream. There is a concept of boat and stream, downstream and upstream. Concept is known as downstream and upstream. Downstream, that is going with flow. Upstream, that is going opposite flow. This is the concept. With flow known as downstream, opposite flow is known as upstream. You can say flow, stream, or velocity. Both are same thing. Suppose speed of boat, we assume speed of boat, it can be speed of man also. So we are assuming speed of boat is B, speed of current. There can be speed of current, speed of stream, or speed of velocity. That is C. So while taking the speed of downstream, that is B plus C. In case of upstream, we are going opposite flow. So suppose speed of boat is B and speed of current is C. So speed of upstream becomes B minus C. Now, if you want directly speed of boat, how we can calculate? Half of downstream plus upstream. If you want speed of current, that is, you can say velocity also, half of downstream and upstream difference, the difference between downstream and upstream. So we'll move towards the questions, see the concept. First question, in 1 hour, boat goes 11 kilometer along with the stream. This is 11 kilometer along with the stream, that is you are going with the flow, that means downstream. 5 kilometers against stream, it means you are going opposite flow, that is known as upstream. So here downstream is given as 11 kilometer he is moving in 1 hour, so that is 11 kilometer per hour, and upstream he is moving 5 kilometer per hour. We know downstream is B plus C, so B plus C is 11 and B minus C is 5. Considering these two equations, BB, that is 2B, plus C minus C will get cancelled. 11 plus 5 is 16. And speed of boat, that is B, you will get 16 upon 2, that is 8. From the given option, your answer is C. Now there is trick. We have seen already. If you want speed of boat, directly you can say half of downstream plus upstream. What is downstream? 11 and upstream is 5. 11 plus 5 divided by 2, that is half. 16 by 2, that is 8. 8 kilometer per hour. Your answer is 8 kilometer per hour. We'll move towards the next question. A man can row upstream at 8 kilometer per hour. This is given directly. Upstream speed is given as, that is B minus C is given as 8, and downstream B plus C is given as 13. What we want? Speed of stream. Speed of stream, you can say speed of current. Speed of current, how to find out? Directly half of difference between downstream and upstream. What is downstream? 13 and upstream 8. 13 minus 8 divided by 2. 5 by 2, that is 2.5. Your answer is 2.5 kilometer per hour. Option. Or you can solve in this way. B plus C is given as 13. B plus C is given as 13 and B minus C is given as 8. CC will get cancelled. 2B is equal to 13 plus 8 is 21. So B you will get 21 upon 2 is 10.5. Now substituting value of B 10.5 in the first equation. What is first equation? B plus C is 13. So 10.5 plus C is 13. C you will get 13 minus 10.5, that is C is equal to 2.5. Okay, we'll move towards next question, question number 3. A man can row downstream 32 kilometer and 14 kilometer upstream. If he takes 6 hours to cover each distance, means for downstream he is taking 6 hours. For upstream again he is taking 6 hours. Always we are talking about per hour. So we have to find out per hour. Downstream, how you will calculate? Downstream, that is 32 upon 6. And upstream, that is 14 upon 6. Then the velocity, that is kilometer per hour. Velocity, you can say velocity means speed of current or speed of stream. So velocity is equal to half of difference between downstream and upstream. So 32 upon 6 minus 14 upon 6 and half of this. So 32 minus 14, 18 upon 6 and half of this. 3 into half, you will get 1.5 or 1.5. So from the given option, your answer is C. See the concept, and we'll move towards next question. Question number 4. A boat running downstream covers a distance of 16 kilometers in 2 hours. While for covering the same distance upstream, it takes 4 hours. What is the speed of boat in still water? So before coming to the direct question, we want speed, that is kilometer per hour. So downstream, if you want kilometer per hour and given 16 kilometer in 2 hours, so in 1 hour, 16 divided by 2, that is 8 kilometer per hour. Upstream, again, same distance. Upstream is same distance, that is 16 kilometer. He is covering it 4 hours. It means 4 for the 16, 4 kilometer per hour. So we are getting D, that is downstream, is 8 kilometer per hour and upstream is 4 kilometer per hour. What we have to calculate? What is the speed of boat? How we calculate the speed of boat? Half into downstream and upstream, the addition of these two, and making half of it, you will get speed of boat. So half of 8 plus 4, that is 12, divided by 2, 12 upon 2 is your answer, 2 kilometer per hour. Sorry, 12 divided by 2, that is 6 kilometer per hour. Take again, 8 plus 4, 12, and we are doing the half, that is 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6 kilometer per hour. From the given option, your answer is B. Okay, we'll move towards next question. a boatman goes 2 kilometers against the current. Against the current, that is upstream, in 1 hour. 1 hour, that is given upstream speed is given 2 kilometers per hour. And goes 1 kilometer along the current in 10 minutes. Downstream, what is downstream given? In 10 minutes, he is covering 1 kilometer. So whenever the situation is in minutes or more than 1 hour, always we want in 1 hour. So in 10 minutes, 1 kilometer, calculate in 6 minutes. 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. 60 minutes, that is 6 kilometers. So in 1 hour, speed of downstream becomes 6 kilometers per hour. Now, what is required? How long will it take to go 5 kilometers in stationary water? Stationary water means in still water. So we have to find out speed of boat first. How we calculate speed of boat? Speed of boat, that is half of the addition of downstream and upstream. Half of downstream is 6 and upstream is 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. It means boat is moving in 1 hour 4 kilometers. But we want to cover 5 kilometers. So what is the required time? You can calculate in this way. 1 into 5, 5 is equal to 4 into question mark. So 5 upon 4 equals to 1. 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 converted into minutes, multiply by 60. So 1 hour and 1 by 4. When you multiply by 60, it becomes 15 minutes. So your answer is 1 hour and 15 minutes. So hope you follow this. We'll be there with some more questions related to new topics